Regardless of size and industry, businesses of all types remain susceptible to a data breach. Minimize your risk with a four-pronged approach. 1. Make sure anything sensitive is encrypted, including company passwords and personally identifiable information of employees and customers. 2. Install strong firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Develop robust policies and procedures pertaining to document handling. 3. Develop an incident response plan in advance. Don't wait until a breach occurs to create a response and continuity plan. Be sure to involve legal counsel, a notification vendor, and a public relations firm. 4. Transfer your risk. Examine all vendor, cloud, and partner contracts. Do liability agreements indemnify you should they cause a breach of your data? Have you demanded proof of insurance? Lastly, consult with your insurance advisor to ensure you have the right cyber coverage in place. Don't assume traditional policies will protect you. By being proactive, you can prevent the risk of a cybersecurity breach